brings midnight news. I'm Prince Charming. You may know me from fairy tales such as Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty.
And I'm Sleeping Beauty. Tonight, are our streets really safe? He has big eyes, a big nose. He has sharp teeth and an abundant amount of smelly hair. He is the big bad wolf on the loose. Can detectives locate him?
Right. I do believe we have a monster army assailant. Let's cross over to that. Hideous. I do believe with our advanced technology we have an image of what he could look like today.
Well, not all of us are blessed.
Breaking news! We are crossing the large war reporter in Beanstalk Lane.
Things are heating up here in Beanstalk Lane. We're angry villains.
We ain't villains, lady. You got it?
Apologies. I mean, why are fairy tale characters taking a stand? Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me what's going on?
Oi, there you are. Big bad wolf. I'm going out, wolf boy.
Alrighty then, bye.
Keep calm and call your fairy godmother.
Sound like it?